I would like to comment on the structural changes. There's one very obvious, which is the fact that we moved the toolbar from the left pane here to the top center location. So it was here before, and now you can find it here. Moving it to the upper part of the canvas allows us to have better access to it. There's less distance, between the toolbar and the place where you are actually having some impact with it. And also it allows us to gain more horizontal space, which is always very appreciated when you are building super large files. So it might just be a few pixels, but it really matters a lot when you have those massive designs. Like you can even save some of them if you collapse the toolbar. The same pattern applies to the color and typography toolbar, bottom toolbar, works the same. So that's very nice. And then you can use keyboard shortcuts.